Whoa!
What's up? It's Lex here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm coming with y'all with the crack my neck. I cracked my neck prank on baby. So, what that means is I'm going to get some pasta. Hold on 1 second. But as y'all know, we've been going back and forth with this whole prank thing. So I decided to do this crack my neck prank on baby today. So I got these elbow noodles. I never did this before, and I hope that it even sounds right. So I'm gonna crack these noodles. And you just put it between the two. Okay. Oh. Wait. Should I try to sit on the couch and just like fall out like, or should I hit the floor a couple of times? No, or should I just hit the floor? Which one is better? Let me see. I know we'll see, but make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm finna get him watch this. We're back here with another video. This is Lex here. I'm about to get Lee with the crack your neck prank or crack my neck prank, and I'm gonna bite these elbow noodles and tell him like, oh baby, my neck hurts. Can you massage it for me? And he'll come over here and be like, okay, and I'm gonna bite this noodle and catch his reaction, or I might just fall on the floor, act like I died or broke my neck or something. I don't know. But how should I do it? Should I hit the whole floor, or should I like hit it halfway, or should I like fall off the couch? I don't know, maybe I should practice. I don't know, we'll see. But make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for the video. Stay tuned for that prank, okay? Baby!
What?
Come here.
What's up?
My neck hurt.
Your neck hurt.
Yeah.
Your neck hurt for it.
I don't think I slept on it wrong. I think I need the...
You need a neck brace? You need a little thing to hold you up like that?
No, I think I need to just... I was trying to like roll my neck and like stretch it out something. And then he like try to rub it or something. He just try to rub it.
Alright. Was it like right here?
Yeah. You try to rub it right there.
That feel better?
You can do it a little harder. Okay, maybe I have to stand up.
Alright.
Like, can you try to like do it harder? Like pop it a little bit?
Like pop it. What do you mean pop it? Like
Like
What do you
crack
do?
my neck up just a little bit.
crack it?
Just a little bit.
Like how do you crack
Like just like what you
Okay.
mean?
Okay.
Hey, you rub just a little bit. Like try to go harder. Like that. What in the world?
Alright. Alright, you want me to like kind of like twist it a little bit?
Hmm?
I'm gonna do to that.
Like try to like help me like pop it to the side a little bit.
Okay. Alright. You ready? I'm gonna turn it this way. Okay?
Let's start with it.
Turn the other way? Okay. They start that way and then turn this way.
Huh?
Okay, you start this way, I'm gonna turn you this way.
Nope.
Are you gonna start this way? I'm gonna turn you that way. What are you trying to do? You need not turn your head the way I just asked you to.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Wait.
What's wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you?
Wait.
Wait for what? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come on.
Okay, come on.
Alright, I'm about to twist it.
Hmm?
So I'm about to twist it, like, you know. You said the crank. Okay. We're going 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. It worked.
Oh yeah. Now try to go the other way.
Okay.
How you gonna do it from that? How you gonna go? You gotta go to the other side. Do the other side.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Shit! Yo! Alex! Alex! Alex, get up! What? Oh my god! Yo, Alex! Alex, what the hell? Alex! Alex, get up! Shoot. Alex. Yo, I don't know what to freaking do. What the hell? Where's my phone at? Shoot. Alex. 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 What the hell? Yo, this kid shit on me. You lame as hell. What was that? Yo, that was loud. That was really loud. That sounded like your neck broke. Like that sounded like something happened. Like bone or something. I hate you.
Who would you call it?
I was about to call your mom and see what the hell.
My mom? Why'd you call mom? You don't call 911?
No, because I did it.
So you were trying to hide it?
Yeah, I'm not about to put myself in harm's way. You asked me to crack up that.
Yeah, he was gonna call my mom, not 911, because he did it trying to hide it, y'all. So if something ever happened to me, just know he gonna try to hide it first, okay?
No, I was gonna make sure mom wouldn't know what to do. That's why. Mom wouldn't know exactly. exactly what mama knew exactly what to do. That's why I was Yup.
I cannot believe you.
Man, whatever you.
Ew. Them noodles is nasty.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me rinse this out.
Alright, y'all. She's got me with this prank or whatever. You know. Don't judge the prank. It sounds like your neck is cracking when they bite down on those noodles. So she just got me on that. Shout out to her. You know,
Team Lex in the building. And
yeah, whatever, man. I seriously thought that she broke her neck. I didn't know what happened. So, if y'all like this video, whatever, y'all like watching me getting pranked, I guess. Make sure you hit the, notification button, like, leave a comment, subscribe, and y'all get back with us for the next video.
Bye.